Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. A special welcome to all you my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my channel members, my loyal supporters. I appreciate you one and all. Thank you all so much. What's hot and what's not, just looking on the progress of some of my plants. Not everything, just what my eyes will catch this morning.
Checking. I see a curly leaf right here. Maybe it was there from yesterday and I missed it. Let me get this out. Maybe it was there from yesterday. Just squashed something inside here, so get that off though. Take off this. I kid you not, I put 2 of the cucumbers inside here, and look at that. Look at that. I have 2 more. I'm going to put it back in there. Oh boy. Just yesterday, some of these turning yellow. They were not pollinated properly. This one too weren't pollinated properly at all. So next one here, I saw one busy bee and I showed you the busy bee some time ago. Whatever was pollinated, I have to give that one bee the credit, all the credit. Look at here. Boy, this cherry tree has been trying so hard. Guys, look at that wasp. I saw this wasp about 2 days now in the same place. I don't want it building a nest. I don't even know why I'm so close to it. I can't have it there, I'm sorry. This cherry tree tries, you know. It tries, man. Look there. I pray that these will stick. I'm thinking I'm going to eventually cut down this papaya tree now. Both of them. Because they more look diseased to me. I'm giving them till maybe the year ends. God's willing. Giving them until that time to see what is what. I will be getting eggplant soon. Maybe not this particular one right here, but that's a sign that eggplants will be coming in. Nothing on the mulberry tree. Oh my god, I take it back, guys. Look at that. Hold on, let me see if I can frame up properly. Wow, look at that. Finally going to get a mulberry up top here. Oh my word. I was about to say I'm not getting anything, but look at that. Oh my word, I am so excited. It feels so good that I'm stretching my hands up there. I can stretch and pick a mulberry up here. Oh my word, that means so much to me. I was just looking at the tree now and I was saying, oh boy, nothing up top up here. Let me see which one of the tree. If it's the old tree. Yes, it's the old tree. Wow. I've been wanting to look up and see mulberry instead of always looking down. Oh my word, I am so delighted. I am so very delighted. Look at this leaf miner taking over my cauliflower. Oh boy. Gooseberry blooms. I still haven't tried it, guys, so the ripe one is still right there. I think I'm going to just pick it and try it, you know. I'm going to pick it and try it. I was told that these parts too, they are edible, but I was expecting it to be bigger. I wasn't expecting them to be so small. So I was there waiting, thinking that they're going to get bigger. The blooms are pretty. I am seeing new growth on my pomegranates. You can see the lighter colors. Yeah, the lighter greens. Those are new growth. I have a one corn inside here coming up. It's more than one, you know. But I guess this one right here suck the nutrients from the others. About 3 or 4 inside there. But they're tiny. Don't know if I'll be getting anything from those. I am so delighted to see this pepper. It is one, but given the history with this pepper tree, been struggling, man, I am so happy. See? And I can visibly see that this one going to fall off too. So this is what has been happening. Wow, there's another one. Huh? Well, there's another one too. Wow. Well, I am one happy gardener this morning, despite the little setbacks. Look at this tomato. It's pushing its way out, doing lovely here. And this eggplant doing its thing. I think it likes the location here now, because they are actually the same. They were planted at the same time, I believe so, even if it wasn't exactly the same time. It was like a few days off. And look at this one compared to this one. And the other one down there that has the bloom. So I think location has a lot to do with it. You know, from when I have this pepper coming up here, at one point when I planted it, I thought it was eggplant, you know, and all along I was thinking that I have eggplant growing. But then I realized that no man, this taking too long to grow. And afterwards I realized that it's actually a pepper. I'm not even sure if I'm going to move it or not. Got this green pepper down here. Green and nice, see? Well, green and nice. Guys, you know, I hardly go over here, so I hardly go over there. You know why? Lisa's always over there. And so these plants over here may feel a little neglected. Look at my turmeric. Growing huge in this container. I'm getting new growth on my orange tree. My lemon tree around here. Something having a feast. This is my grapefruit tree. Hold on, I mix it up. This is the tangerine. This is the orange tree. I need to do something about this orange tree. I need to cut that banana leaf right there. I need to cut it off because it's shading my tree too much. My orange tree too much. The garlics, guys. I don't know what's going on. But my girl, it's not looking good. I think they're getting too much water. Too much water. I think that's a major issue right there. Can you see my fig tree? Just look at that. Guys, I almost run off a while ago, you know? Almost run. Look here. Look at that big slug. Let me get this salt. I say I saw it, you know, and I almost just run off. I was like, girl, where are you going? Stand up. Stand still. I was trying to not let it get in the container, you know, the salt. I don't want to damage my plant, so I'm going to scrape it out. This is what I'm talking about. See how the collies are over there, so they're always over there. So I always stay far from over here. So look at my star fruit, new growth as well. So this thing right here, gooseberry, I want to taste it and I don't want to taste it. Look at my raspberry, so you know it stopped fruiting. I think that's the 1B right there, no? The 1B, it gone. I saw it a while ago. So where it is? See there, see there, see there, see there, see there. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up. Yes guys, that 1B I see in my garden. Anyways, I was saying that the gooseberry, not the gooseberry, the raspberry, it stopped producing. I stripped most of the leaves from it because they were drying up, like this right here. And look at that, I'm getting new growth. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Well, none up top here, but maybe I'll get up there as well eventually. Look at my gingers. I think they're reaching for the sun, or they're growing out like that. I can't wait to get this limb going. So this is where I leave you for today. Until next time, walk good.